everyone, welcome back. Well, we just caught some kids going backstage. So Sean, we're here with Sean O'Leary. We're gonna show you some Wonder Woman.
I got a cheeseburger.
Oh my god. So we're over here by Wonder Woman. This is our third update. We're getting closer and closer to opening. So this is Wonder Woman right now. So now we're gonna show you some more updates. We're over here at the other one. So we got some theming being put up right here. Well, I'll show you more when we get over there. If I can show you guys when we get over there. Well, yeah, just a few updates of Wonder Woman. Okay, so right now we are looking at the entrance sign for Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth. We got a U-Haul. We got some themed planners that are gonna be around the ride. Looks pretty nice. Looks like it's gonna be a well-themed attraction for Six Flags standards. Hey. Okay, everyone. So now we are in front of the entrance for Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth. Right here is where the planner and the Wonder Woman statue will be. Looks pretty nice so far. We got some new pavement going up. Then we have Wonder Woman right in front of us. Looks like the queue line is going to be a little short, but it shouldn't fill up too fast because the cycle is only 2 minutes. And if they do some good dispatches, we should be able to get a good estimate. If they do good dispatches, we'll probably get a good throughput. I'm so tired today. Sorry, everyone. I'm going to keep that in just to show my mistake.
I'm like waiting for you to stop recording and like start over again. It just keeps going. This thing looks awesome.
It does. Okay, well that's it for this small 3-minute Wonder Woman construction update. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope the next update, the 4th one, will be when the ride is operational. See you guys then. So, even though this is only a day after the Wonder Woman update ended, we are going to add on to this for 1 second because lighting package. Okay, now it's just static blue. Oh, wow. That looks cool. Pretty interesting. Okay, well, I just looked behind me and Wonder Woman's testing. Oh my god. Holy crap. We're walking over there.